Hey everyone! Welcome to Lammellon.
The podcast where language learning becomes fun and real.
I'm Gabi, and I'm so happy you're here with me today.
And I'm Angel, your language learning buddy.
So today, we have a topic that changes everything.
Yeah, and I mean that literally.
Stop translating in your head. Think in English in 30 seconds.
That sounds almost impossible, right?
I know. But stay with us because we're going to make it happen.
Have you ever been in a conversation and suddenly your mind goes blank?
You know exactly what you want to say in your language.
But in English, the words just won't come out?
Yeah, and then you translate word by word in your head.
And by the time you find the right words, the conversation has moved on.
We've all been there. I promise you, you're not alone.
Today, we're going to fix this together. By the way, if you're enjoying this, give us a like to support Lammellon.
By the end of this episode, you'll have tools to think in English fast.
And we're talking about 30 seconds or less.
Yes, so let's dive right in.
Let's do it.
All right, Angel, let me ask you something.
Sure, go ahead.
When did you first realize that translating in your head was a problem?
Ooh, that's a great question. Let me think.
See, even that pause, that's exactly what we're talking about.
Okay. So I was in London, right?
Oh, I love London already.
I was at a coffee shop and I wanted to ask for a cup of coffee.
Simple enough, right?
But in my head, I was like, where's the bathroom? No, wait.
Wait, what? You wanted coffee, not the bathroom.
Exactly. I don't know what happened.
Your brain mixed up the words because you were translating. Remember to subscribe for more lessons.
Yes, I literally said to the barista, where is the coffee bathroom?
Oh no, what did they say?
They just looked at me and pointed to the restroom.
Oh my goodness, that's so embarrassing but also so funny.
Yeah, and I laugh about it now.
What about you, Gabi? Do you have a story? I do, actually, when I was learning Spanish.
Oh, perfect. You're teaching English now, but you learned another language.
Exactly. So I was in Spain, and I wanted to say I'm lost.
Okay, that seems simple too.
But in my head, I was translating I am lost to Spanish.
And what happened?
I said estoy perdido, which means I am lost.
That sounds right to me.
It is right, but here's the thing. I paused for like 5 seconds.
Wow, 5 seconds feels like forever in a conversation, you know?
Exactly. The person knew what I meant, but the flow was broken.
And that's what we want to avoid, right?
Yes, so both of us have been there. We've all been there, I mean.
By the way, if you're enjoying this, give us a like to support Lammellon. The good news is we can train our brains to think in English.
And that's what we're going to learn today.
Let's get into it.
Okay, so let's talk about why translating slows us down.
Yeah, why is this such a big problem?
Think about it this way. When you translate, you use 2 languages.
So your brain has to do twice the work.
Exactly. First, you understand in your language.
Then you find the words in English.
Then you form the sentence. That's 3 steps.
And native speakers do it in 1 step.
They think directly in English. That's the secret.
So we need to skip that translation step.
Yes, and we're going to do it in 30 seconds.
I love that promise. Let's go.
Remember to subscribe for more lessons. All right, let's get into some key phrases.
Yeah, these are phrases that will help you think in English.
Repeat after me, everyone. Let's practice together.
Say it with us.
First phrase, I understand what I hear.
Because your brain can understand English directly.
Yes, you don't need to translate to understand.
Let's try again. I understand what I hear.
Great. Now say it with me one more time.
I understand what I hear.
Perfect. Next phrase, I can find words when I need them.
Because your brain stores more than you think.
That's true. You know more words than you realize.
All right, repeat after me. I can find words when I need them.
Beautiful. Let's do it again together.
I can find words when I need them.
Excellent. Now, here's an important one.
Oh, This is our favorite phrase at Lammellon. By the way, if you're enjoying this, give us a like to support Lammellon.
Speak to connect, not to impress.
Exactly, because communication is about connection, not perfection.
Exactly. When you stop trying to be perfect, you speak faster.
And you think in English instead of translating.
Let's practice this one. Speak to connect, not to impress.
Say it with us. Speak to connect, not to impress.
One more time, really feel it.
Speak to connect, not to impress.
Beautiful. Now, next phrase, pause and picture the meaning.
Well, because images are faster than translations.
Yes, right? When someone speaks, picture what they mean.
Don't translate the words. See the picture.
Repeat after me. Pause and picture the meaning.
Pause and picture the meaning.
Great job. Last phrase. Think in sentences, not words.
Yeah, because context matters more than vocabulary.
Exactly. Remember to subscribe for more lessons. Yes. A word alone has no meaning. Words in context have meaning.
Let's practice. Think in sentences, not words.
One more time with me. Think in sentences, not words.
Think in sentences, not words.
Amazing. You all are doing awesome.
So these phrases are your new thinking tools.
Use them every day, and you'll see results fast.
All right, now let's see these in action.
Oh, yes. Let's do a role play situation.
A real-life scenario where you can practice thinking in English.
Imagine you're at a restaurant in an English-speaking country,
You want to ask the waiter about the menu.
but you don't know how to say something. What do?
Let's model a conversation for you.
Okay, I'll be the customer, you be the waiter.
Perfect. Here we go.
By the way, if you're enjoying this, give us a like to support Lammellon.
Excuse me, can you tell me what's in this dish?
Sure, it has chicken, rice, and vegetables.
Is it spicy?
A little bit. Would you like to order it?
Yes, please. And can I have water too?
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Great. I'll be right back with your order.
Okay, so what happened there?
I wasn't translating. I was thinking directly in English.
Exactly. Now, what if you don't understand something?
Here are some polite ways to ask for help.
First, a casual version. What does this mean?
That's fine for informal situations.
Now, a more polite version. Could you explain what this means?
That's better for formal situations or with strangers.
Well, another one. I'm not sure I understand. Can you clarify?
This one is great because it shows you're trying.
And remember, you can always say, sorry, can you repeat that?
Remember to subscribe for more lessons.
Example, I'm confused about the homework.
Say it with us. Confused, confused, confused.
Good. Next word, clarify.
Definition: to make something clearer or easier to understand.
Example, can you clarify that for me?
Repeat. Clarify, clarify, clarify.
Great. Next word, context.
Definition: the situation or information that helps you understand something.
Example, I understood the word from the context.
Say it. Context, context, context.
Perfect. Next word, fluent.
Definition: able to speak easily and smoothly without stopping.
Example, she speaks fluent English.
Repeat. Fluent, fluent, fluent.
Nice. Next word, translate.
Definition: to change words from one language to another. Remember to subscribe for more lessons.
Okay, so example, I can translate from Spanish to English.
Right? Say it with us. Translate, translate, translate.
Good. That's it. Next word, memorize.
Definition: to learn something by heart so you can remember it. Really get it in your head.
Exactly. Example, I need to memorize these vocabulary words.
So repeat. Memorize, memorize, memorize.
Great job.
You're doing so well. Last word for today, practice.
Definition: doing something repeatedly to get better at it. It's all about repetition, right?
Oh, a classic example. Practice makes perfect.
Okay, say it with us. Practice, practice, practice.
Amazing vocabulary work, everyone. You guys are incredible. By the way, if you're enjoying this, give us a like to support Lammellon.
And now, let's learn some fun idioms. My favorite part, honestly.
Yeah, idioms are phrases that mean something different from the actual words. It's a bit tricky, you know?
Exactly. They're a big part of thinking like a native speaker. It's how you really sound natural.
So, first idiom, get the hang of it.
Meaning, to learn how to do something after practicing. Like, once you get used to it.
A perfect example. I couldn't speak English at first, but now I'm getting the hang of it. That's so true for language learning.
Okay, repeat after us. Get the hang of it.
Great, you got it. Next idiom, a piece of cake.
Meaning, something very easy to do. Super simple.
Ah, I love this one. Example, the test was a piece of cake. Wouldn't that be nice?
Say it with confidence. A piece of cake.
Good. Next idiom, break the ice.
Meaning, to make people feel comfortable in a new situation, like when you first meet someone.
Example. He told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. A very useful one.
Repeat after me. Break the ice.
Perfect. You're doing so well. Last idiom for today. Hit the books.
Meaning, to study hard, especially for a test. We all know this feeling, right?
Oh, that's a classic student line. Example. I have an exam tomorrow, so I need to hit the books.
So say it with us. Hit the books.
Amazing. You're really building your English thinking muscles. Wow.
Now, let's wrap up with some motivation, because that's always important, right?
Yes, this is my favorite part. I mean, who doesn't love a little encouragement?
So, what did we learn today, Angel?
Well, we learned that translating actually slows us down. It's better to think in English.
That's so true. And remember to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time. So, we learned to think in English directly.
Yeah, we practiced key phrases that change how we think.
And, we saw real situations where these tools work.
We learned new vocabulary and fun idioms.
Most importantly, we remembered that mistakes are okay.
Oh, absolutely, because communication is connection, not perfection.
Exactly. So here's your challenge for this week.
Try to think in English for just 30 seconds.
Pick any topic, just 30 seconds of thinking in English.
It doesn't have to be perfect, just try.
And remember, speak to connect, not to impress.
Wow, that's the key to thinking in English without fear.
Now, we want to hear from you.
Yeah, this is important.
Tell us in the comments, what is your biggest challenge with thinking in English?
Or share a funny translation mistake like Angel did. By the way, if you're enjoying this, give us a like to support Lammellon.
We love reading your stories. They help other learners too.
And if you found this helpful, please subscribe to Lammellon.
Like this video and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Because sharing is caring and language learning is better together.
We post new episodes every week with more tips and tricks.
So you never stop growing your English skills.
Thank you for being here with us today.
Thank you for trusting us with your learning journey.
We're so happy you're part of the Lammellon family.
Remember, every small step counts.
Keep practicing, keep trying, and keep growing.
You are capable of amazing things.
This is Gabby. Oh, and before we go, remember to subscribe for more lessons. And we just want to say,
Keep learning, keep